Up until recently, my indie game looked like this. But after changing the character design, polishing the animations, adding dynamic tail movement, dashing particles, walking particles, and directional based deflection animations along with camera shake, the game now feels like this. There we go, that's much better. One of the most important things about a game is not only its gameplay, but its game feel. So it's always worth to spend that bit of extra time to make sure it feels as satisfying and responsive to play. And while mine certainly isn't perfect, it's definitely an improvement of what it once was. Which is why I can't believe that,